a cup over there.
You want a coffee?
Puppy.
Coffee?
Papa,
Yeah.
Papa, Hollywood's calling.
Okay.
Kisses, Poppy, kisses. Kisses.
Yeah. I got you. I caught you.
It's Hollywood calling. We're coming to give you a deal for your wishbones.
Yeah. It's gonna happen not too long from now.
Papa, take off your hat.
Yeah, that's right.
Poppy, take off your hat. Take off your hat.
I got it all messed up.
No, take it off. I want to see your hair. Aw, Papa.
Where's your mom? Where's your mom?
It looks like
You look so cute, Poppy.
Where can you go to?
I kicked her out. I needed some Poppy and Uncle Brad time. Poppy, kisses. Kisses.
what?
I love you. Poppy. Poppy. Mess up your hair. See? If I was there, I would mess up your hair. Poppy, what cologne do you wear?
How's that?
What cologne do you wear? What do you wear?
It was Eau de Toilet.
Eau de Toilette. Is there a name that goes along with the Eau de Toilette, Brad?
Yeah.
What is it? No, ask him. You're right there.
Did she see?
It's called Eau de Flush, the toilet.
Eau de Flush.
I'm gonna go get her. Where-
Poppy, what's the name of your cologne? Please tell me.
Name of the cologne?
Yes.
It's called Smell, Fart, and Bark.
Oh, good Lord. Seriously? Ask him. Brad, I'm serious.
Pretty little girl.
Let's go get mom.
Brad, you look like a supermodel. Where's your head?
Huh?
Where's your head? You're headless. Dun, dun, dun. Lips. Only lips. Dun, dun, dun. Boom, chicka boom, chicka wow wow. Boom, chicka.
Where's mom?
Da 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 da. Where's your head?
You should show your stomach. Where's
No,
your stomach?
please don't. You're being videotaped.
Show your stomach.
Why is it so messy there? You should be more tidy than that, Brad.
Oh,
What? Tiny?
It's not tidy. Yeah, sit down. Can we see you?
That's what he is. He's a tiny bowl.
What?
tiny bowl.
Tiny bowl.
Tiny bowl. It's a flush.
Oh,
That's
tiny
the
bowl.
flush.
Are we still
It's
talking
called
about?
tiny bowl.
We're still. Oh God.
Perfume.
Okay, I'm slow. Oh, what's the name of his cologne?
Tiny bowl.
I don't think so.
Where's mom?
Where's Grams? Get her on.
Get her out.
Okay, hold on. Save.